Pinworms. Introduction. Pinworms are only a problem for people living in countries with poor sanitation. Select true or false. Correct. Pinworms are present in areas that have good sanitation practices. They are one of the most common worm infections in the world. Everybody with a pinworm infection has symptoms. Select true or false. Correct. Many people with a pinworm infection have no symptoms at all. When symptoms are present, they are usually mild and barely noticeable. Pinworm infections are caused by swallowing pinworm eggs. Select true or false. Correct. Pinworm infections are caused by swallowing pinworm eggs. Bobby was diagnosed with a pinworm infection. His doctor prescribed medicine to treat the infection. Bobby's older brother does not attend daycare with Bobby. Should Bobby's brother receive treatment for pinworms? Select yes or no. Correct. Everyone who lives in the house should take the medicine. This is true even if other people in the home do not have symptoms. Baths are more effective than showers at removing eggs. Select true or false. Correct. To prevent pinworms, it is important to shower in the morning. This is because pinworms lay their eggs at night. It is best to take a shower to reduce the risk of eggs reattaching to the body while floating in bath water. Thank you for using Explain.